Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin, total market cap, PolkaDot and few other popular coins including Metaverse coin. If that sounds interesting, then please watch this video till the end. Make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Alright, let's start this by looking at the Bitcoin weekly chart first. As you can see, the whole crypto market is green across the board. And if you are following my channel for the past 2-3 days at least, then you guys know that we have been watching this level at around $37,000 level. Please watch my previous video and you guys know that I was watching this level very aggressively here and also this level. And I told you that if this level is broken to the downside, then we can watch this $30,000 level for a possible bounce. And since we are at this probable support area here, let me recap for a bit. As you guys know that we are in this head and shoulder reversal pattern here, and for those of you guys who don't know what head and shoulder pattern is, this is kind of a reversal pattern. And let me recap, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And within that head and shoulder we had a channel pattern here, and prior to that channel pattern we had a down leg, and that channel pattern broke to the downside. And the price prediction for this channel pattern was at around $30,000 level. But I'm not gonna make this price prediction lines here again. Please watch my previous video and you will know. And I told you that once we break this neckline, then $30,000 level could be achieved. But within that, as you guys also know that market don't go up and down in a straight line. It kind of makes waves and then go to the desired direction where it wants to go. So it is also making these kind of waves here, but overall momentum and sentiment on the Bitcoin is on the downside. But for the immediate short term, what I'm seeing here is the potential support area at around $37,000 level. As you can see, nice touch points all the way. So if I go to the 1 hour chart, let's say, and I'm seeing potential head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern here. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is somewhere here potentially a right shoulder is in the formation. And let me draw a neckline here, and we only enter at the neckline like here. And if you guys want to take a long entry, because we have established the support from the higher time frame, and on the lower time frame like 1 hour time frame, we are anticipating a inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern. So basically we are playing this $36,000 level and anticipating a push towards the upside. So if you guys want to take a long, not a financial advice, but if you guys want to take a long and play this pattern, then you can wait for this neckline to be broken to the upside here. And let me give you a price prediction for this head and shoulder pattern. If I measure it like this from the bottom till the top of the neckline and extend it outward like this, then we have a target of around $40,000 level. Let's say $40,000 level, and $40,000 level is also a nice resistance area, as you can see. And let's say if you are going long here after breaking this neckline, then you would be gaining around 5.5% gains in the Bitcoin. That's without the leverage. And if you do it on the BYBIT account with the leverage, then you can do the maths yourself. Not a financial advice, but you guys can do the calculation yourself. Alright, so for the time being, I'm watching the reversal here on the Bitcoin, and overall on the daily and the weekly chart, things are not looking good for the Bitcoin. And for the time being, we can play this scalp trade here on the 1 hour time frame to go to the upside. All right, so that being said, let me quickly look at the total market cap, because this is also a driving factor for the market. And as you guys can see, we were trading in this falling channel pattern on the total market cap, and it broke to the upside here. And after that, we are kind of testing the back of this channel. This is kind of a bullish sign here, because not only we are back testing the channel, but also I can find a support level here at this level at around $1.68 trillion market cap. So the total market cap is supporting our Bitcoin 1 hour head and shoulder trade, and I can also see a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern here on the daily chart of total market cap here as well. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is potentially a right shoulder, and this will be the neckline here, and I am waiting for this neckline to be broken to the upside. And if we manage to break to the upside here on the total market cap, then this is the price prediction, guys. And if we break this $2 trillion market cap and this high on the daily chart, then we can expect a market to go, then we can expect this market to go towards this $2.6 trillion market cap. And if it does that, then that would be a really good sign for the altcoin and the Bitcoin, and you will see a nice 10x 20x gains in the micro altcoins. And because this is kind of huge, if I measure it from the bottom till the here, and that would be the 50% increase in the total market cap, and that will confirm once we hit this, once we break this neckline here. So it's very early to say, but we are anticipating here. Not a financial advice once again, guys. Do your own research first, but I am waiting for this to be broken to the upside because the sentiment of the crypto market is pretty much down, and I'm expecting a little bit of relief rally here. Let's see what happens. Let me do a PolkaDot analysis for a bit here. PolkaDot is not looking good on the daily chart. I know a lot of you guys are holding this PolkaDot coin for ages here. I know few people's bought here at the top at around $50 range, and right now it is $16. And I made a video about it when the price was trading here. I told you guys that we are gonna hit this $16 range on the PolkaDot, and at that time nobody believed that the PolkaDot could hit $16, but anything is possible in this financial and crypto market here. Right now the PolkaDot has stretched so much to the downside, and the next level of support area on the weekly chart I can see is at around $12 region. If we, and also if you guys can see, we have broken the lows of the daily chart here. You can see it here, and naturally the next level of support here we can see is at around $12 region. You can see very nice support area here. So if we don't see a bounce in the Bitcoin, and then definitely we will see $12 in the $12 or $13 in the PolkaDot coin here. But if we manage to see a bounce in the Bitcoin, then we have a great chance to recover in this PolkaDot coin here as well. So if you guys want to take a long in this PolkaDot coin, then wait for this downward sloping trend line here to be broken to the upside here, and ideally this swing high point at around $20 level. And if both of this happens with the bullish candle here, then you can guys think of this and potentially targeting these highs at around $27-28 level. Not a financial advice, but right now it is very risky to buy here. Let it first break this trend line here, and then you can anticipate PolkaDot to go towards the upside. Alright, now let's look at some metaverses coin. Let me look at the Sandbox first. Look at this, guys. We have been watching this $3 level very aggressively here in our channel, and I told you in my previous video that this is the level to watch, $3.50 level, and then the $3 level. And this $3 level is a very nice support area here all the way on the Sandbox pair. So right now we are seeing a recovery in the Bitcoin, and that is helping this Sandbox as well. We are still in a downtrend on the Sandbox, and the next level of, if you guys are long from here, let's say at around $3 level, then the logical target would be at around this next resistance area at around $4 level, 3.70 level, because as you guys know that this was a previous support area here as well, and the price broke to the downside. And once we get back to that level, we will see a selling pressure here, and also we are in a downtrend. So this is a short quick bounce play here, not a long-term recovery. This could be a long-term recovery on the Sandbox once we clear above this downward sloping trend line here at around $4.5 level, let's say, and close above a very bullish candle here. Then we will see, and that would be the double bottom pattern here as well, and this would be the neckline. So that will give a double confirmation to the price going towards the higher side on the Sandbox. Before that, you could play a little bit of bounce from these probable areas, and you should be getting out to the next resistance, probable resistance area somewhere here. I hope that is making sense. If you appreciate this content, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.